So, mas lami po ang pares. Ito po yung normal pares namin. Mas lami po siya kapag pinartneran nyo po siya ng fried garlic rice. Mostly ito po, concept na is from Manila. Sa kasi po sa Manila, marami din kanto by kanto. Kung dito po sa Cebu, mostly mga siomay, mga binabot. Sa Manila po, pares. Comfort food is one of the go-to food ng mga taga Manila po. And then, nung nagpunta po kami ng Cebu, we found out na wala na naman masyadong pares dito. So we wanna give the Cebu the taste of pares, the legit pares of Manila, which is ito. Sa pares po namin, makikita nyo po, iba-iba po siya ng combination. Meron po kami na normal pares, which is the beef pares with beef pares na puta. Topped with onion and then fried garlic rice. And then we have naman po is yung pares mami. It's beef pares with onion noodles. And then we have the pares special po. Beef pares chicharong bulaklak. And then we have the overload po. Ito yung one of the best seller dito sa branch namin. It's beef pares with chicharong bulaklak and then balot. And then we have the pares lechon kawale. Beef pares with lechon kawale. And then our pares flat white. Beef pares chicharong bulaklak, balot, and then bagnet. And then one of our best seller din po dito sa branch namin is itong pares cardiac. Pares cardiac, beef pares, chicharong bulaklak, bone marrow, and then balot. So technically, ito po isa sa putok-patok namin dito. One of the best seller. Mostly of the customers, ito po talaga yung binibili sa amin. And last but not the least po, sa pares namin, ang pinaka-specialty namin is the pares in heaven. So sa pares in heaven po, all-in-one na po siya. Combination po siya ng beef pares, mami, and then chicharong bulaklak, balot, bagnet, bone marrow. Talagang sinasabi ng mga customer namin after nilang kumain, napapa-heaven po talaga daw sila kasi parang, wow, putok-patok daw po talaga siya kung dito kasi. So yan po siya. This is one of our best seller and it's only $2.49 with 4 to 2 person na po siya. Pero most of our customer need it by 1 person lang po. So isang tao po kaya niya po kasi. And it comes with unlimited soup. So talaga po, best seller po talaga siya. And it's good for us only 249 pesos po. And yung food po namin is makakain ka na po ng beef pares with rice. Isang meal na po for only 49 pesos lang po. So it's budget friendly. So kung may mga student po kami around the area, talagang pasok po sa budget nila. And for those naman na gusto naman ng something exotic, they have this one po. The pares in heaven. And then for the seasoning po, all our seasoning comes with unlimited java rice. We have one of our seasoning Hungarian. And then one of our best seller, seasoning pork sisig. And then our beef pepper, one of our best seller din. And then the seasoning pares. And then our seasoning lechon kawale. And our top-notcher po, seasoning pares with bone marrow. So ito po talaga, ito po lahat po sila comes with unlimited java rice. The pinakamura po namin po is only 190. And then the pinaka-expensive po is 179. Get unlimited rice ka na po, unlimited sa mga. Actually, itong concept na po na ito, nabuulang po ito out of chikahan lang. So, chikahan lang ng mga magpakasama sa corp and then they come up na, sige, mag-film na tayo sa Cebu. And then, yun nga po, with the help of the some food blogger din po, nakatulong din po sa amin na makakilala kahit pa paano ang pares. And then, as of the moment po, we have 50% discount. Instead of paying 500,000, it's only 250,000 lang po for the franchise. Yes, yun po. Thank you po, and I hope you enjoyed the food po. And let us know your feedback po And like our page po, Pares Pinay Cebu. Thank you.
Thank you.